Assalamu alaikum students, class 7, revision mensuration, question number 9. Two plots of land have the same parameter. One of them is a square of side 15 meter while the other is a rectangle whose length is 18 meter. Determine which of the two plots have the greater area and by how much. Simply students, आपके पास दो प्लॉट्स हैं, उनमें से एक स्क्वायर फॉर्म में है और एक रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म में है, लेकिन दोनों के पैरामीटर सेम है. स्क्वायर की जो डायमेंशन गिवन है वो 15 मीटर है. स्क्वायर की सिर्फ एक ही डायमेंशन गिवन है क्योंकि हमें पता है कि इन स्क्वायर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो वी हैव टू टेक साइड also 15 meter and breadth also taken as 15 meter. And in rectangle, when we have to find its area, the formula is length multiplied by breadth, but only length is given. So first of all, we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. We have to find the parameter of square. Then we have to compare the areas of square plot and rectangle plot. So length of square plot L is equals to 15 meter. Parameter of square plot is equals to 4L. 4 into 15 meter, that is equals to 60 meter, is the parameter of square plot. Now we have to find the area of the square plot, that is equals to side multiplied by side. 15 meter multiplied by 15 meter, that is equals to 225 meter square, is the area of the square plot, and give the name of equation number 1. Now we have to talk about rectangular plot. So it is given the question, length of the rectangular plot L is equals to 18 meter, but we have to find the breadth of rectangular plot for the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle plot is equals to length multiplied by breadth, but we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. As parameter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth, but we have not to find the parameter of rectangle because breadth is not given. But in the question they said, according to the question, parameter of the square plot is equals to the parameter of rectangular plot, so we have to equate them. 60 meter parameter we have the parameter of the square field is square plot is 60 meter, that is equals to 2 into length of the rectangular plot is equals to 18 meter plus breadth has to be find. So 2 is divided onto 60 meter over 2 is equals to 18 meter plus breadth. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 30s are 30, 2 30s are 60 meter is equals to 18 meter plus breadth. Now 30 meter minus 18 meter, that is equals to breadth, and we have to find b is equals to, and we get the value of breadth, that is equals to 12 meter. Now we can find the area of the rectangular plot, that is equals to length into breadth. 18 meter is the length of the rectangular plot and breadth is equals to 12 meter, and we get the answer 216 meter square, and give them the name of equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2. Equation number 1 is area of square plot is 225 meter square. And equation number 2 is 216 meter square is the area of the rectangular plot. So from equation 1 and 2, it is clear that 225 meter square is greater than 216 meter square. So area of square plot is greater than the area of rectangular plot by 9 meter square. And जब 225 को 216 से माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास पता चल जाएगा कि 9 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया जो है वो स्क्वायर प्लॉट का ज़्यादा है रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट से. Okay, students, question number 10. A rectangular lawn measuring 20 meter by 16 meter, it is the dimension of rectangular lawn, is surrounded by a path 2 meter wide. Determine the cost of leveling the path at the rate of ₹12 per square meter. Simply आपको एक rectangular lawn given है, उसकी dimensions given है, उसके गिर्द एक 2 meter wide path है, आपने level करना है 2 meter wide path को at the rate of 12 meter per square. 12 per square meter पे आपने उसको level करना है. So this is the rectangular lawn and this is the path. So the path is 2 meter wide from all dimensions. So first of all, length of the rectangle L is equals to 20 meter. L is 20 meter and breadth is 16 meters. So area of the rectangular lawn is length multiplied by breadth, that is equal to 20 meter multiplied by 16 meter, that is equal to 320 meter square. Simply हमने ये सबसे पहले एरिया फाइंड करेंगे और फिर उस पर हमें फाइंड करनी है कॉस्ट की कितनी आएगी. सबसे पहले हम इस रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे, फिर हम इस पूरे का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे, पाथ का और रेक्टेंगल का को मिलाकर इनका एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. देन वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट देम टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस पाथ. So area of rectangular lawn we have to find 320 meter square. Now length with path, we have to find this length with the path. So 2 meter wide from here and 2 meter wide from here. So 20 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 4. So 20 plus 4 is the length of the whole path from with the rectangle. So length with path is equal to 20 meter plus 2 that is equal to 4. So 20 plus 4 meter is equal to 24 meter is the length of this hole. Now same breadth with path is equal to 16 meter and 2 meters is here and 2 meter is here. So 16 plus 4 that is equal to 20 meter. Now area of rectangular lawn with path that is equal to length multiplied by breadth that is equal to 24 meter multiplied by 20 meter that is equal to 480 meters squared. Then we have to simply minus them. Then we have to simply subtract them. Area of rectangular lawn with path minus area of rectangular lawn. This is the area of the path. So area of the path that is equal to 480 meters square minus 320 meters square is equal to 160 meters square. Now cost of leveling the path is rupees 12 per meter square. So cost of leveling 160 meters square is equal to 12 into 160 that is equal to 1920 rupees. Okay student, move to question number 11. The area of a parallelogram is 3.20 meter square and its base is 20 centimeter long. Find its altitude. So student, this is your homework. Area of a parallelogram simply is equals to base into height. So you have to put the values and find the value of height. Question number 12. A pit measuring 4.8 meter and multiplied by 2.5 meter and 2 meter. Dimensions are given. Students, pit कहते हैं एक गड्ढे को, मतलब एक गड्ढा खोदना है और उसकी लेंथ ये हो, ब्रेथ ये हो और उसकी जो डीपनेस है, जो जितना वो डीप होगा वो उसकी मतलब डायमेंशंस आपको गिवन है, लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट उसकी गिवन है. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ रिमूव्ड. इट इज़ ऑब्वियस डैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पिट. मतलब अगर आपने एक गड्ढा खोदना है, ठीक है, उसमें से आप कितनी मतलब मट्टी जो होगी, कितनी सॉइल, मतलब कितने अर्थ का पार्ट है जो आप उसमें से रिमूव करेंगे कि आपके हमें पता चल जाए कि कितना हमने अर्थ का पार्ट को रिमूव करना है. तो सिंपली यू हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पिट. इट इज़ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द अर्थ रिमूव्ड. So simply dimensions of the pit is 4.8 meter, 2.5 meter and 2 meter. Volume of pit, length, breadth and height that is equals to 4.8 meter multiplied by 2.5 meter and multiplied by 2 meter. After removing the point we get this. Meter is equals to meter cube and meter cube is the cubic units are the unit of volume. And after cancellation we get 48 over 2 that is equals to 24 meter cube. So 24 meter cube is the volume of the pit and 24 meter cube is the area, is the volume of earth removed. Question number 13. Find the surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are given. So question number 13, dimensions of cuboid is 4 meter, 3 meter and 2 meter, in which let's suppose length is equal to 4 meter, breadth is equal to 3 meter and height is equal to 2 meter. And as we know that the surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So we have to put the values and we get the answer simply. 2 into length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter plus breadth is 3 meter multiplied by height is 2 meter plus height is 2 meter multiplied by length 4 meter. 4 to the 12 meter square plus 3 to the 6 meter square plus 4 to the 8 meter square. Now we have to add them and we get the answer 26 meter square, and after multiplication with 2 we get the answer 52 meter square is the surface area of the cuboid whose dimensions are 4 meter, 3 meter and 2 meter. Question number 14. The volume of a box is 144 centimeter cube. Determine its height if its length and breadth are 9.6 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. It means length is 9.6 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, and volume of a box is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, because box is also in a cuboid form. So volume of a box is equals to 144 centimeter cube and length of the box is 9.6 centimeter, breadth of a box is 5 centimeter. We have to find the height of the box. Simply formalize volume of a box is length into breadth into height. We have to put the value of volume. 144 centimeter cube is given in the question. Length is 9.6 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter and height has to be found. So 9.6 multiplied by 5 centimeter is in the division of 144 centimeter cube. Centimeter and centimeter will cancel out with the centimeter cube and only a single centimeter is left. And after removing the point we get this, and after cancellation 5 ones are 5 and 5 2s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 48s are 96, 144 over 48, and on the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Now 3 8s are 24 and 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12 centimeter. So 24 over 8 is centimeter is equals to height. 8 ones are 8, 8 3s are centimeter. So height is 3 centimeter, whose volume of a box is 144 centimeter cube. Student, question number 15. The dimensions of a room are 12 meter by 8 meter by 4 meter. Calculate the area of its 4 walls. So this is your homework. You have to simply put the formula of 2h into length plus breadth and you get your answer. Question number 16. Determine how many wooden cubic blocks of side 10 cm can be cut from a log of wood of dimensions 1.5 meter by 1.2 meter by 0.5 meter. So dimensions of log of wood is given 1.5 meter multiplied by 1.2 meter multiplied by 0.5 meter. This is the length. Let's suppose this is the breadth and this is the height. So volume of log length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and this is equal to this, and after removing the point and after cancellation we get 9/10 meter cube, that is equal to 0.9 meter cube. And as we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1 million centimeter cube, so we have to convert into centimeter cube because length of side of cubic block is in centimeter, so we have to convert into centimeter, meter cube into centimeter cube. So we have to multiply it with 1 million. After removing the point we get the answer 9 lakh centimeter cube. Now this is given the question, length of side of 1 cubic block is 10 centimeter. So this is in the cubic form, so volume of the 1 cubic form is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by length. So 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter, that is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the how many wooden cubic blocks of side 10 centimeter can be cut out from this dimensions. So number of blocks, that is equals to volume of log divided by volume of 1 cubic block, that is equal to this, and we get the answer 900 number of blocks.